Okay. So today I wanted to share what is arguably the most important exercise for your vocal health. Right? Now, a lot of us, we imagine different sources of sound. We imagine like naak se ga rahe, gale se ga rahe, pet se ga rahe, and all of that. However, the source of sound is physically, it's just the vocal folds. There might be resonance felt here and there, but that does not qualify as a source of sound. That's just the resultant resonance of a sound. So, DJ Suranshi in the house. Thanks, Vara. Okay, so now I want to discuss in detail how the vocal folds behave and what they do to create sound, so that our concepts are always clear, whether we are in this course or beyond. Right now, I'm going to quickly do a short physiology lesson with you guys. Let me, yeah, sharing screen. Okay, do you see this? Okay, so this is your entire vocal apparatus, really. This is the larynx. So the voice box is this, and this is your windpipe. Okay, sitting atop your windpipe are these two cartilages, cricoid, thyroid. The names are not important for you, really, but there are these two cartilages. Inside this thick one, if you place your hand here, you will find that thick cartilage where Adam's apple would have been if you were male. And inside this, if you make a V and point it towards yourself, that's how the vocal folds are suspended. Okay, this is the source of all sound. And yesterday we learned that the sound is created passively because air is flowing from here. It is zipping past the small area of the folds, it's pulling them together. There's more air bubbling under, and therefore they are blown apart, and there is a vibration set into motion. Okay. This is your hyoid bone. If you check here, there's going to be a bony structure. It's the only floating bone in our body, right? That's the hyoid bone. And in between the hyoid, this area, we're going to get to this later when we're training our pharynx and all of that. That's the space between the hyoid bone and the thyroid cartilage. Okay. Okay. Now, why are we looking at this? So that we understand how it is that our vocal folds function. Our vocal folds are in the open state when we are breathing. Let me first show you that, then we'll get back into this in a moment. Yeah. Do you see this?
They're about.
So you see they're coming together like this. You can see a phase difference almost. Let me go a little. You can see a phase difference that it's coming together and being blown apart, coming together and being blown apart. Yes? Okay. Now there's going to be a moment where the person breathes. Yeah, the person is breathing here, so it's in the open state. She's not making sound. And when she's making sound, it's in the closed state and vibrating because she's exhaling and sound is getting produced. So what this means is there's a set of muscles up here beyond the screen that is bringing the folds together. Yes? Okay. Now the exercise we are going to do today is going to target those muscles and how much involuntary control we have on them. Okay? Now let me take you out of here and let me show you one more thing. So now we're going to go into the internal view of this bit, right? Okay. Here's how pitch is. Sorry, that's me. Let me close the volume. Okay. Do you see this? So that lowest cartilage which was on top of your windpipe, that swivels around with respect to the thick cartilage, and that's how pitch is created. All right? And the vocal folds stretch and release in order to stretch for higher pitches, release for lower pitches. We'll get more into that, so you don't have to worry about it yet. The bigger point here is this. Hello? Huh. Okay, so there's a bunch of muscles, but look at what happens. There's an opening and closing. Okay? Now, what is the thing that threatens our vocal health the most? If you see this muscle here, it doesn't look the same. There's nothing vibrating. You can't see anything vibrating on top of it, just the way that we saw here. Right? This vibration is not visible there. That's because that muscle is inside, and up top, the vocal folds, they are called mucosa. It's the mucosal layer. Okay, and that muscle you saw was an embedded muscle. That means the vocal folds have various layers to them. Okay, now the muscles have to be brought into what is called the prephonatory position. Right? Which means that when you send a signal from your brain into your larynx by imagining that you have to speak or sing, just before you sing, those muscles which are in the open state when you're breathing, they come into the prephonatory position. They don't slap together. They come to the prephonatory position, which is why you saw a gap there. And the mucosa, which is on top of that, then gets into motion as you start breathing out. Okay? Now, what happens if those muscles come too close together? If they come too close together, then the mucosa rubs against itself. And there is overheating, and that is when it is the primary cause actually of vocal tiredness, vocal hoarseness. So that is something that we have to weed away from our instincts. What is the other option? That prephonatory gap is too much. So then the mucosa is trying to make a healthy wave, but there's air also zipping past. So you get right? And the opposite imbalance, where the prephonatory gap was too little, the sound is right? They're rubbing together. And if I continue that for like 5 minutes, I'm definitely going to start feeling tired. Okay? So those two states are called let me just quickly make a silly diagram. Suppose the pressed one is like this. Okay? We call it pressed phonation. Pressed phonation. Okay, quickly make a note of that. And if it's too diffused, if the sound is too diffused, it's called breathy phonation. Now, in between these, in the balance of these two, we have what is called modal voice. Okay? Now, modal voice is different. It's a physiological classification of voice. It's different from head voice, chest voice, etc. because those are resonance concepts. This is a behavior concept. Okay? So, pressed phonation and breathy phonation are the imbalances. Modal voice is the balanced state where the prephonatory gap is healthy, which is which is up to 1 mm, and it is also accompanied by a thing called the modal ring. So what you'll notice is when you've tapped into modal voice, you lose all sensation and your voice suddenly starts feeling much more resonant also. Okay? Now, it is important to know that all of these happen on a gradient. Everything in the voice happens on a gradient. So does this. So, this is extremely pressed phonation. Ah, this is less pressed phonation. Ah, it's still pressed though. Even less. Ah, it's still pressed. Modal. Do you see the sudden increase in freedom and in tone? And then I go to the other imbalance धीरे धीरे से छोटा सा breath phonation right. So it's all on a gradient. And so when you're correcting yourself, you want to think of it like that needle of a weighing scale, and you want to hit home where it feels like nothing and you get everything in terms of tone. Now, modal voice is a behavior. Therefore, modal voice is installable across your whole range, no matter whether you think of it as chest voice or head voice or anything else. Okay, cool. So, the sound of pressed phonation, especially on the attack, because the first thing we are going to heal is the attack habit, attack or onset means how you start a note. So if your notes are starting like ah, ah, can you hear that little slap in front of it? Ah, ah, right? So that sound is the vocal folds slapping together really hard. The prephonetic gap is too less and the mucosa is slapping together hard. Ah, okay, make that sound so that you know what it sounds like, what it feels like. Imagine you're lifting something heavy or you have to go poo. Ah, Everybody, please switch on your mics.
Ah,
Yes, correct. So that little slappy sound that is right at the onset, that is called glottal attack. Okay, so that is the sound. So your exercise is going to be neither having glottal attack nor having and H. H meaning there's a breathiness. Ha, ha, ha. That's the opposite imbalance, right? So neither glottal attack nor H in your onset. This is the most protective exercise for the vocal folds. Secondly, the muscle that it gives us, let's involuntary control over, is that muscle at the back. Let me quickly share screen again so that you know who I'm talking about. I keep referring to muscles as people, so I'm saying who I'm talking about. Okay. You see this person here at the back? The guy who's bringing together the folds? We are talking to this person. We are saying, bring them close just enough for me to have healthy phonation, for me to have modal voice. Okay? So you are going to remove you're going to remove h, and we are going to make 5 drops of sound. Let's do. So the exercise is which means sound is appearing and disappearing, but it's not and it's not ha ha ha. It's just it's neither nor ha. Let's try it, ladies.
Wait.
Can you hear the glottal attack, darling? In the beginning
Yeah.
of the sound, imagine it's a needle. Move it towards H, but don't go all the way towards H. So play with it in that way. Juhi, want to try? Very nice, very nice. Don't brace your throat in order to get it right. सब कुछ ढीला छोड़ दो, अपने mind से control करो. Beautiful. Alternate ones were going towards H, but number 1 and number 3 were perfect. So now allow. So that means Juhi's body is more used to going towards the breathy phonation. Right? Once again. Good correction, but don't correct it with your muscles. Yeah, just correct it with your mind.
Ha, 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 ha.
Good job. The third one was exceptional. Okay, guys, why are we controlling it with our mind? Because it's that back muscle which we don't have direct control on, which we are just saying, no, no, that was too much. No, no, that was too less. Like that. Okay. Ria, want to try?
Ha, 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 ha.
Good job. Make it a little shorter. Make the notes a little shorter. Ha, ha, ha.
Ha, 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 ha.
Good. Now, overall, it's tilted towards H,
Yeah.
right? So I want you to lighten up with the air pressure, and also I want you to not make that cavity inside. Let that go.
Ha, 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 ha.
Feels easier inside the body. Sounds very, very good. Ria, for you and for everybody in general, whenever you're doing any vowels, think of language. So think of after or any ah sound. Come, Ria, once again.
Ha, 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 ha.
It's again tilting back, and that shape is switching on again. Switch off all shapes.
Ha, 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 ha.
Not bad, not bad. It's still a little breathy. With your mind, ask for a clean sound.
Still feel like it's a breathy. Yeah, tone. Ah, ah. This is what I was trying to avoid. I was trying to avoid the glottal. Ha, 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 ha.
That's it. That's definitely better. It's little tilted towards breathy, but it's so much better. Okay, we'll go through everyone and then we'll continue this exercise. Tess, would you like to try?
Ah, 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 ah.
There's a little bit of that glottal onset sound. Ah, let that go. Go towards H, not really making the H yet. Ah, 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 ah.
Ah, 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 ah.
That's better. That's better. Do you feel a loss of sensation when you did that? That's perfect. The more sensation you lose, the closer you are to perfect technique, and we got more tone from you. Tess, just do it one more time so that your body remembers.
Ah, 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 ah.
Better, beautiful. Now, if there's any shape switching on behind your mouth, allow that to go with a that kind of shape. Let it, that house that's happening behind the mouth, let that collapse.
Ah, 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 ah.
Yes, yes. And actually, for Tanri, I wanted to make a special mention because she's really specialized in opera. And so there might be many, many concepts that we share here which are slightly different from the bel canto method, right? So, what happens is that in order for us to, for all contemporary music, but also for Bollywood and also for classical, classical, Hindustani, Carnatic, is we want a spoken sound, right? That's the only aesthetic difference between the bel canto approach and all the others, that the aesthetic choices expected from singers is different. So what happens is when I go right, we do create space and achieve a particular sound, but it doesn't exactly fit with contemporary styles. Contemporary style wants to come out of language. After if I did that often does not fit into all the other paradigms of singing that exist. That's why we are starting with a neutral physiology, right? So that then we can puppeteer and go into all styles. Okay? Okay. Tanvi, do you want to try?
Mm. Ah,
That's a hard glottal attack, right? You can hear it like prr, almost like that. So let that go towards H. Or, guys, let me imbalance her and then bring her back to balance. So give me ha, 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 as though you're saying hi. Give me 5 H's. Ha, 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 ha.
ha, 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 ha.
Good job. And don't squash the folds at all, darling. After your H is starting very well, but it's going into press phonation. Ha. Let that effort be zero. Let there be emptiness in your throat. Come.
Ha 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 ha.
That's good. Now make that capital H into a small h.
Ha 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 ha.
Almost there. Don't make that shape inside. Let that shape melt.
Ha 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 ha.
Sounding more like speech now.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Okay. And now let's try to get into modal voice, which is neither a nor ha. So make that H even smaller.
Ha do ha ha do ha 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 do ha 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 ha.
Good job. Don't try to control it with that shape, darling. Control it with your mind and let that shape melt.
Ha 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 ha.
Good job. Did you feel your resonance flip up?
Oh yeah.
Good job. Perfect. Okay. Once again, darling. Ha 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 ha.
Ha 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 ha.
Beautiful. Melt all the houses that are creating inside your pharynx, inside your throat. Ha 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 ha.
Oh, okay. Ha 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 ha.
Yes, 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 yes. And it's so much easier on your body too. And it's taking you closer to the contemporary sound as well. Okay. Now let's try Swara.
Okay. Ha 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 ha.
Do you notice the big H, the capital H?
Yeah.
Let's make that small h and then smaller h.
Okay. Opposite from the breathy voice to glottal.
No, so don't have to go to glottal because that's the one that we just have to really stay away from. But
Okay.
just make the h smaller and smaller.
Ha 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 ha.
Yes, so there's that push of air. Ha ha ha. Let there be no storms leaving your body. Let it be first a breeze. Ha 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 ha.
Ha 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 ha.
Not bad. That is a little less already. Very nice. Now, Swara, I want you to just say hi.
Hi.
वो एज कितना छोटा था?
काफी छोटा था.
वही वाला एज. Hi. Ha 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 ha.
Hi. Ha 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 ha.
Isn't it so much easier in your voice?
Yeah.
Okay. Now even smaller than that so that the H sound vanishes.
Ha 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 ha.
और छोटा कीजिए उसको.
Ha 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 ha.
There's still a push. Relax that a little bit.
Ha 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 ha.
Good. Now I want you to practice, guys, in case your throats are ever stuck in the H thing. Say hi, hi, hi and arc. Hi, hi, but don't go hi, I. Don't switch on that opposite. ठीक है? Hi, I.
Hi. Hi.
Okay, दूसरे वाले में H तो है नहीं, वो आंख है, I है.
Hi. Hi.
Yes, almost there. Once again.
Hi. Hi.
Yes, that I that you said
Okay.
right now was modal voice.
Fine.
Okay,
Got
so
it.
now with that behavior, hi, hi, ha, 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 ha.
Hi. Hi. Ha 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 ha.
When you're singing, don't push out that H again.
Ha 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 ha.
Better this time you switched it off, but it went little towards breast phonation. So guys, it's going to be this negotiation, right? Because she's training that muscle now.
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Aishwarya. Oh, okay.
Hi,
So
ma'am. Sorry, I'm late. I had a flight.
that's okay. That's okay. Okay, so just watch this. We are doing 5 drops of sound without a or h on the onset. Okay, just watch and join in. So, guys, now we are going to repeat this in the same way, in the same scheme as we did last time. Random notes, intervals, melodies. Okay? 5. Ha 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 ha. Good job. Keep negotiating with your minds. Do not create houses. Good job. New note. Ha, 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 ha. No shapes. Loose sensation. Once again. New note. Ha, 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 ha. Some people are going hard on the air. Some people are going hard on the muscle. We want neither. Once Once again. Job. Priya, next shape. Okay, one sec. I can't hear Ria and Juhi. So, guys, just the two of you, please. Not bad, not bad. Beautiful, darling. You've come so far already. Now, whatever shape is happening, just melt that shape, okay? Everybody. Ha 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 ha. Good job, Juhi. Back of the tongue, little more loose, please. New note. Ha 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 ha. Okay, if something is lifting to make it ha ha ha, let that go because that's going to go against the contemporary sound. Ha 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 ha. Yes, this same sound is going to contribute to the power tone. Ow, hey, hey, ow, ooh, ooh, right? If you lift it, it's going to give a different quality which removes that power tone from the voice. Oh, hey, hey, oh, ooh. So if you're creating houses behind your mouth, you're gonna kind of compromise on that power tone which contemporary music is associated with. Ha, hi, how, hey, he, right? Ha, 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 ha. Good job. Yes, little less house behind your mouth. Let the walls melt. Beautiful. Tanvi, try, baby. Okay. Also, please do not squash your stomachs while making this sound. Okay. Now, the next direction that I want to give you, now that you're successfully able to negotiate with your vocal folds, is no matter whether there's sound or silence, there needs to be flow. Don't stop your breath just because the sound is stopping. It shouldn't be where you're stopping and starting, stopping and starting. No need. Let it flow. Come. Good job. I heard one glottal attack.
Right.
Good job. Good correction. Okay. Now I want you to sing a long note and then 5 short notes, just so that you know
Right.
that the feeling needs to be the same. Ah, 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 ah. It should not feel like ah, 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 ah. You don't have to stop your exhale. Come. Yes. This particular version of this exercise is one of the master exercises for vocal agility. When you want to do runs, etc., this is this is the one that's going to contribute to very, very clear runs. Okay? Now, ah, 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 ah. Not bad, not bad. Release any shapes, Ria, for sure. Juhi, little more looseness on the tongue. Everybody talk to your tongues just for fun also.
I'm feeling it in my stomach. So how do I control that?
Are you pushing your ab muscles in?
Yeah, it's automatically happening.
No need. No need. Let them go. Okay, give me a hello.
Hello,
Did your ab muscles squash?
hello. Yeah, it did a
Okay.
little.
Okay. Just tell me your name. My name is Aishwarya.
Hi, my name is Aishwarya.
Did they have to squash? They don't have to squash for anything, actually.
Okay.
Hi, hi, hi. Now do it without squashing.
Hi, hi, hi.
Yes, yes. Just because there's an H doesn't mean you got to squash it. Hi, hi, hi.
Hi, hi, hi.
Yes. Ah, ha, 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 ha.
Ah,
Yes.
Okay, got it.
Okay. Now, when we go to the study of breathing, then we will understand why it is not important at all. However, for right now, you just have to trust me for a few days.
Of course, yeah.
Okay, so the first version of the random notes exercise was just you negotiating, removing the attack and removing the removing the glottal attack and removing the H, right? Bringing on modal voice. The second version is with the long note and the short notes so that they both feel the same so that you're not stopping flow while doing it. Let's do version 2 again on random notes. Ah, 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 ah. Good job. Giving you a little challenge. As when there's a rhythm associated, you want to be loyal to the rhythm, right? So let's do ah 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 ah. Aishwarya, this little bit of sound, move that towards the H so that H is not audible, but it's somewhere in the middle. Ah 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 ah. Good job. Do not resort to heavy muscles. It's okay to stick to that one little muscle. Good negotiation, Ananya. But baby, don't go for that. Just allow your brain to just talk to that muscle behind your folds, okay? Now that muscle is not felt, so don't associate it with any sort of sensation. You're not having any sensation. You're just talking to it through sound. Good job, good job. Let the air keep flowing, sweetheart. Good job. Tanri, is it making sense? You're looking a little worried.
It's fine.
All
Yeah,
good?
yeah.
Okay. Okay, new note. Ah, 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 ah. Yes, that's beautiful, Swaranshi. Such a long way you've come. Suddenly, I'm giving you a very different note, but you're not going to think it's high. You're all going to keep your tongues at rest and also talk to that little muscle for the prephonatory gap to be ideal. Ah, 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 ah.
Wait, I'm trying to fix.
If some eyes are looking up, it means the brains are thinking up.
It's going into that place of shapes for me.
Yes, for you, Ananya, sorry, I keep going to make, sorry. Uh, back of your, so basically, right there at the soft palate, if it's rising, let that melt. Ah, 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 ah. Yes, babe. Right? Was that the difference between what was happening and when it wasn't?
Okay.
Okay. Same for Tanri. Same thing. Let that go to. Let that soft palate be silly and not taut, not lifted. I can't hear you, baby. Are you on mute?
No. Oh, okay. I'll just do it.
Yeah. That's better. That's better. That's better. The tongue is a little retracted. Let it go and let the back of the soft palate also fall. Ah. Yeah, that's very contemporary. Hey, hi, right? Okay. New note. Ah, 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 ah. Yes, that's really good. Good, not bad, not bad. Don't try to lift or use any muscles because all these muscles are here. They are not contributors to sound. Okay. Now,
Sorry.
That's fine, Tanri. That's good. Okay. Now, darlings, we are going to go to the next thing, which is intervals. You're teaching your body that no matter when the note changes, I'm not going to go into either breathy or tight. Why is this important? Because you will notice many singers going, yeah, but when they go higher, they'll start like, right? That is pressed phonation. Or they can't sing high with a big tone. So they end up going, yeah, which is loose, and then they go, yeah, yeah, right? And then they might classify it as some other voice when it's not. Therefore, right now we're gonna say, when our note changes, we do not change. No new shapes on the top note. Okay, don't join the notes. I heard one. I want. Okay, Aishwarya, that was all of it had glottal attack on it, Babu. It had Let them be closer to H than to this. That's what I was hearing. Just
Oh, okay.
yes, yes, yes. It was switching off and on, off and on. Now keep that sound off. Very good. You kept that off, but you used a shape inside in order to switch it off.
Yes.
Now collapse that shape. Better, better. She sounds innately so similar to Sunidhi that sometimes my mind boggles. I'm like, wait, like the face and the voice are not matching. Okay. Now, new one. Good. Little drops, little drops. Good. With this, physiologically, what you're training is as you're changing pitch, the vocal fold length is changing. At the same time, you're saying, we're not going to slap hard, we're not going to go too far off, no matter what the length of the folds. Job. No undulation of the stomach, no utilization of shapes inside, melt all shapes. Your mind is creating the pitch. Your muscles are not creating the pitch, right? Just hear the two sounds. Good job. No shapes inside, my love. Okay, new one. Good. No lifting, just state to state. Good job. No need to use the mouth. No need. Good job. Also, if there's any scrutiny, remove. Good job. No throat, no shapes in the throat, no shapes behind the mouth. Beautiful. I'm so happy I can't hear those glottal attacks. Ask your to come from language, like the word after, up, aj, जैसे भी आपको and imagine it's like the chord of a violin. Good job. No thinking up. Good job. No shapes, no thought. Only the mind is translating out as voice. There's no muscular involvement from your side. Yes, good job. Good job. Darling, Ananya, it's do, ti,
Wait, so for me, I can't hear the high parts at all. I just hear So I was like
Okay,
confused.
good. Okay, good. You made it up. It was fine. It was still a relatively high note. And let's do the octave. Collapse the octave. In your experience, the octave is nothing.
That's the one, right?
Yes. Yeah. Good job. We've given too much emotional baggage to the octave. It doesn't have to carry that baggage. Okay? So, it's nothing. They're friends. They're the same height. Yes, Jack and Jamie, right? They are not Father Jamie. Okay, notice that Jamie is getting airy. Let him stay the same quality as Jack. Good job. Allow yourself not to shape with your jaw. Allow your jaws to be just at rest. Okay, not tight, not overly shaped. The more important thing, guys, I'm going to keep repeating this a lot through this course. There is a difference between a shape sound and a language sound. Okay, the shape sound does not have that much of an emotive capacity. Let me tell you, I'm going to think of as a shape and I'm going to sing like this. Sounds very proper, but it does not have an expressive quality. Now I'm going to think after and give that quality to the vowel. Versus the shape sound has less expressiveness. So every time you're practicing anything, allow for the vowel, whichever vowel you're choosing. Right now we're only doing A's. After, Aj, whichever language you sing in, choose a word from that language. Okay? Similarly, E, that is a shape sound. Evening, Ishwar, anything. E. Your ears as an audience respond differently to that sound. Right? So, in your very instinct of singing, language needs to be built in because music and language are inseparable. Okay, so now let's do phase 3 of our practice. No traveling. Yeah. Do, fa, sol, za, ma, pa. Not bad. No, notice if there are any glottal attacks switching on. I can hear some. Do, so, la. Beautiful, Aishwarya. That was really good. Just dissolve that shape, sweetheart. Everything else is great.
Yeah.
Next one. Do, sol, la, sa, ba, da. Ah, 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 ah. One time say. Okay. Ananya, wait, can you hear this? Can you hear these three notes? I'm playing in the lower octave.
I can't hear it.
Can you hear this?
I seriously cannot hear what you're playing. I am trying my best to listen to what other people are singing, and then I'm like, hey,
This
what
is
are y'all
so
doing?
strange. This is so strange. And you know, the thing is that I can't fix it from this end because everybody can hear me too. You cannot
Yeah,
hear
yeah,
me,
yeah.
right?
I was checking at my settings yesterday. I turned off a bunch of stuff. No idea what's going on. Maybe
Okay.
I'll try joining from my phone next time.
Yes.
Yeah, you can join from another device. Maybe it's some issue
If
with
you want
your.
to join now from your phone, you can do that too.
Yeah, I'll just do that.
Okay. New one. Same one, sorry. Ah, 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 ah. Good job, Tess. Amazing. Everybody else, don't assign different values of height. Ah, 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 ah. Good, almost there. Do, la, ti. Ah, 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 ah. Are you noticing that an octave is nothing? Then do, ti, do. Okay, so now Ananya, you have to mute one of your devices. Yeah. And the last one, do ti do. Ah 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 ah. Yes, it's not high. Do ti do. Ah ah ah. Breathiness. Okay. So this is going to be your practice. Okay. That's better. That's better. Okay. So guys, have you noted down the steps then? First is going to be random notes with only negotiating the onset. Okay. Second is going to be the long notes and short notes together so that you're also talking to your body for flow. You're not stopping flow while you're singing short notes. Number three, you're then going to do intervals. And then you're going to do melodies like this. Right? And after now, the next step of this is when do you know that you have started installing modal voice or modal behavior, right? So now instead of these short notes, we stay in flow. We do not we do not go from that is going towards pressed phonation. You're also not going that's also breathy. So now that we have cracked the modal state on these short notes, we want that state to stay on when we are singing glissandos. Okay? Glissandos just means slides, pitch glides. So now let us sing a simple pitch glide. Ah. Yes, by now because you've done. Nice. Now that you've done, you know that you don't have to do anything special when you're going from one to the other. Ah. Beautiful, beautiful. Ah. Let there be no modifications for the. Let there be no muscularity. At a physical level, you're saying no matter how the pitch glides, that back muscle that we're talking to, that guy is not going to overactivate or going to stay too loose, right? Ah. If you feel like it's slipping out, right? That you have no control. Ah. Beautiful. As you're going to different ranges, no need to switch on or none of those. Okay, good job. Ananya, don't shift the jaw so much. Let the jaw be neutral. Everybody else.
Just rejoining.
Good job. Are you able to maintain that same state of silliness? Nice. Tanri, try not to lift that soft palate area. Oh, I heard a little bit of that sound. So I just want it to be all the shapes to be off. Ah.
So, excuse me, just 10 seconds. So when I sing, my voice is so heavy.
Okay.
Like, I don't know, I try to relax also, but it's so heavy. But when you sing, it's so like, yours is, mine is, something like that, the tone.
Yeah.
I don't know.
So, honey, you did both the tones right now when you were explaining to me the difference between mine and yours. Right? So, your that's coming from dilating the pharynx. Right?
Okay.
Dilation of the more you dilate it, the more it's going to get that yawn sound. Oh, that is, it's like you've made a yawn, right? You want to collapse that. Just use a spoken vowel, sweetheart. Use after.
After.
Yes, see that you didn't say after, you said after.
After. Ah, ah, ah.
Good job. Now leave that tongue loose also. After. Beautiful. And now don't switch on any other shapes also. There's a little of that happening. That's at the soft palate. Let it rest.
Look.
Yes. Yes. Did you hear that power tone come out?
Okay. Yeah.
Right? So that will come from the resting of your soft palate. Make sense, guys, as you saw her?
Yeah.
Yes.
So, Tanri, always using a spoken vowel and then undoing or relaxing that soft palate and also undoing the yawn reflex. Oh, ah.
So sorry, it's my habit. Classical singing is all about like we do yawning and
Yes.
soft. We have to lift up and then make the O bow. So
Correct.
but I will try my best. Thank you. It's working. Yeah.
Amazing. So, as soon as now you'll have both the things accessible to you. Right? Because you want to also explore contemporary now. So now this is the new thing for contemporary, and that was the way for classical. Okay, ladies, now we are going to do more of the flux singing. Ah. I want you to think of a vowel in your language, whatever language you sing in. Ah. Now, Now I want you to ask for your favorite tone. It's not necessarily that it has to sound light just because it feels easy. Okay? So dial up your favorite tone in your mind. Don't use any muscle. Ah. Good job. Back of the tongue loose. Good job. Good job, everybody. Most people have stopped singing. Ah. Ah. Now remember from yesterday, what if it weren't here? Ah, what if it weren't this high? What if it were way lower? Ah. Did that sound more powerful and feel more free? Ah. Good job. Are you also noticing that as you are tapping into the free state, there is less of a difference between what you call head voice and what you call chest voice? Ah, imagine the notes are low. Now you're going to do big sweeps to train yourself that no matter how low or how high you're singing, both being lies, that you're not going to squash or go airy on anything. Ah. Remember, the octave is not just a neighbor. Now we'll do okay, now we'll do the re. We've done the octave already. No lifting, no shaping, no muscle. Come. Awesome job, Ananya. Good job. Now, Tanvi, don't change the quality of the vowel, and for everybody else as well. Don't go don't modify the vowel at all. Leave everything loose. I like it. I like the amount of fearlessness that is there in class today. The ahs might be turning to I don't want to hear the it's just ah. Yes, because no matter what key you sing in, your vowels should stay free. Otherwise, people won't be able to understand you when you're collaborating and somebody chooses a different key. I want you all to be like, I don't care. You know, you can sing as clearly as freely in all keys. Good job. You're not going higher. It's just going to a neighbor. They're all the same height. Yes. Do you notice that nobody's experiencing passage? Nobody's experiencing cracking. Last one. Don't fear it. It's nothing. It's nothing. It's just two ideas in your mind. Okay, don't resort to shame. No need. Be silly, darlings.
Uh,
Yes.
just one question. So do we when we do we have to push a little bit from here
No,
or
nothing. Definitely not from here, my love. You
oh
see, what's happening is the brain sends a pitch signal to the vocal folds, and the vocal folds themselves know how much to stretch. So, by pushing it forward, you will interfere with the mechanism. Let me show you that thing again so that Aishwarya can also have a look at it because you both came a little late. Okay.
I think when we do a lot of the higher range stuff in with bel canto, you kind of have to drop your jaw a bit more for it to resonate in your mouth, and then according to the stage
Yeah.
as well.
Yeah,
So
and that is very important in that paradigm because they wanted to project over an orchestra without a mic. So
yeah.
that brilliance was very, very important, right? And that is a specific requirement for opera, but not for other genres.
Yeah.
Okay, now here. Take a look at this, guys.
Here's how pitch is created.
Oh, ho, stop talking, Vasundhara. Okay. Do you see this? Do you see this swiveling? Right?
Yes.
Tanri, this is how the vocal folds which are inside are stretching and relaxing. You see?
mm,
So
mm,
if you're exerting push here, it is not going to help when you're
mm,
singing your higher notes. Okay? Plus, any push that you exert is happening from the peripheral muscles. So it is not going to be helpful for you. Instead, you want to trust your brain and body to translate each other. Ah, you just thought of the pitch, and the body already knows how much to lengthen the vocal folds.
mm,
Ah, don't go. Don't push anything, my love. Okay,
mm.
once again.
I forgot to pitch.
Yeah, the five on top, the sol on top.
So after uh,
Yes. Now the sol is on the next octave. Ah, it's on the next octave. Yes, don't pull back, don't push forward, do nothing, just think the two pitches. Ah, almost there, almost there. Are you noticing how much the jaw wants to switch on and the tongue wants to move back? Let them be silly. Ah, everybody else too. Almost there. Okay. You will encounter many different ways because your body is going to switch on many different fear responses. It's going to be like इसको बचाते हैं करके इसको बचाते हैं करके इसको बचाते हैं by pulling back the tongue, right? So these are all fear responses that you have to override. They're all coming from that same idea that high notes are high when they're not. Okay. However, what I'm extremely proud of today is that you were able to get a unified sort of clean tone across your ranges. And for an octave and a half, it's not a joke. Mostly people are terrified of singing an octave and a half. You pretty much did it till octave and a fourth. This fifth is worrying you, but by tomorrow you're not going to be scared anymore. Okay. Number 3, I want you to now get into what is called a play state. This is very important because the brainstem responds to emotions of safety, emotions of playfulness, right? So this is extremely important for your body. So you have to do a non-musical sound because music also comes with the baggage of singing nice, sounding nice and all of that. right? So every day that you sing, you have to practice being ugly. Ugly doesn't mean कि force करके गंदी आवाज निकालो, but basically that you are leaving everything to as it is. And for many of us, I was a huge copy artist when I was a child. Okay, so I used my school's competition pony. One year, Mariah Carey is being sung in the competitions. I will ape the voice like to the T. Next year, there's Whitney Houston. Next year, I am Whitney Houston. Okay, so because of that, I had completely lost sight of what I sounded like. Right? So now, what this ugly or this, unbothered singing is going to do for you is it's going to introduce you to your innate sound, to your innate tone. कि जब मैं कुछ नहीं कर रही, मेरी body गाती कैसे है? जब मैंने उस पे कोई, I have not given any instructions to her. How does she sing? Okay, so let us all create chaos in class right now. We are all going to make noise and it does not matter. Use that noise as your blanket in case you're feeling shy. Okay? All I want you to do is don't think of these as singing. These are all just random noises. Come. Make noise. Very nice. Okay, do more of this. This is a master exercise because number one, it trains us to lose inhibition. Okay, and that is the most important. It's your superpower is losing inhibition. If I go and I stay there, I don't even know what note I've hit, right? I don't know what that is. So that is the B flat at the end of the fifth octave. If I were to try to go do re mi fa sol la ti do re mi fa sol la, there'll be so much pressure in my mind to sound good, to pitch right, right? So in this way, you're priming your body and you're also harnessing your innate tone. Now when you're going don't add bulk. Be stupid. Be horribly stupid. Come, everybody. Appreciate the sound of your voice. Yes, can you appreciate how much flexibility your voice has when you're not putting any kind of strict rules on it? Right? Why is that, does this ability go away when we are singing? Okay, now next, all of you, I could hear modal voice. Okay, and when you were being in this silly playful state, you could feel that everything was just slipping out. You were having no problems with cracking. You were having no problems with breathiness or tiredness. You've been singing for more than an hour now. Okay, so this state needs to be all pervasive in your voice. Okay, let's do it once again. This time, as you are slipping and sliding, you want to start appreciating what your natural body sounds like. Okay, with no pressure to sound great, let's discover what we sound like, because actually all our beauty lies in this. This is our fingerprint. Each of our voices is irreplaceable. So if you're trying to make it as an artist, it's very important for you to crack also what your natural sound is. Come on. No, this is not a singing exercise. This is an inhibition freedom exercise. No pressure to sound pretty. Okay, how does it feel to first meet your body when you're not interfering with her?
Little fun.
Fun, feels interesting. You never
Yes.
know what tone is going to come out from this. You never know how you're going to be able to add to your style and to your skill set. We're going to get to that in the last week. But the quirks in your voice are what is going to create what is special about you. You know, if Michael Jackson were told to sing like a deep, dark baritone just because that was better according to the people of his time, he wouldn't have been him, right? So it's very important for us to find our quirks and to go hard on our quirks as we start developing our styles as well. That is why this is a central exercise apart from what we discussed through the rest of today, which is um, balancing the attack and finding modal voice. Okay, that is very important for vocal endurance and obviously vocal health. ठीक है जी? Okay, now that we know what our innate voice sort of sounds like, let us start singing two lines each, and let us see how we can feel freer when we are singing. Juhi, you want to start?
Think
Okay,
of a
first
song.
let me hear your ugly, unfiltered voice. Ah, that's right. Yeah. Did you see how much power she has? It's so fabulous. Okay, now sing me something.
नहीं 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 ये बातें है पुरानी कैसी पहेली है ये कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी
Fabulous. Can you already hear your uncolored voice coming
Yes,
into your singing now?
yes. And it felt like much easier. Otherwise, I would feel.
Yeah, and sounded great. We got much more quality, much more tone. Now, suppose somebody has invited you to collab and they want to sing. "Na, na, 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 na." Suppose they've asked you to sing there. Sing there with your uncolored voice.
नहीं 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 ये बातें है पुरानी. See, when on the word बातें, I got the
Yes,
a little bit
yes.
of tightness here.
So keep it silly, keep that tongue silly, and remember the play state that we just played with. Na, 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 ye baatein. Rather than baatein, don't use any muscle. Come.
नहीं 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 ये बातें है पुरानी.
Yeah! Next line just for fun.
कैसी पहेली है ये कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी.
Guys, how far were these two keys, right? But she sounded so kind of similar and just with it in both. Fabulous,
Felt easier.
fabulous. Tess, you want to try something?
Silly sound.
Yes, any song.
Ah, ആരാധികേ ഇന്നുവെന് വഴിയരികെ നാളേറെയാ കാത്തുനിന്നു നിന്നിരയെ.
Amazing. Did you hear your natural voice already in the first two lines? And you are sounding like, you know, when I met you 2 days back and today you have triple the voice when you're singing. Okay, on that line which ascends, ba-da-da-da-da, that line, just allow that same state to continue there, my love.
ആരാധികേ നാളേറെയാ കാത്തുനിന്നു മിഴിനിറയെ നീ എങ്ങു പോകുന്നു.
Nice. now I want you to. Now, the other thing is that, interestingly, when we put no rules on the body, then the body becomes much more expressive. So, Tess, what is the meaning of the song that you're singing?
It means Aradhike means my admirer.
Okay, so you're singing to your admirer.
Ah,
Okay, okay. What if you were someone who's very proud and has got a lot of attitude, right? And you're singing this from that lens, right? Now, don't color your voice, just feel the feeling and see what happens to your voice. Your body will naturally throw up some new color. Let's see, let's hear it like that.
Aradhike.
Next line, that sounded great.
I forget the lyrics because I'm slightly nervous.
That's okay. But guys, even within those first few notes, you realized what a variety of tone the body is hiding. And she just went from sweet to attitude and or little pride, and her voice transformed so much. Okay, so this is also part of your play in the play state, because that's when the body has no rules and emotions follow no rules. They are just there. Okay, and our job is to emote. Swaranshi, want to try something?
Yeah. इंतहा हो गई इंतजार की आई ना कुछ खबर मेरे यार की ये हमें है रखी बेवफा नहीं ना 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 क्या हुई इंतजार की
Good job. Now go back to the play state. That was so beautiful. It's already showing in your voice. Real chaos. Yes. Now sing it in another key. Na 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 na. Come.
इंतहा हो गई इंतजार की आए ना कुछ खबर मेरे यार की
Okay, okay. I could feel good freedom. Try it in another key and just remember the melody. Da, 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 la, da, 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 da. Okay, let's do it in this key.
इंतहा हो गई इंतजार की
Okay, so now that high note syndrome came back. And
yeah.
yeah, so
Pressure
go.
that.
Ah.
इंतहा हो गई इंतजार की
Yes, yes, yes.
आए ना कुछ खबर मेरे यार की
Fabulous. And see, it's still powerful.
yeah
So, guys, already within 2 days, you're all quite free from key. Right? Key is becoming more and more irrelevant now. Beautiful. Amazing, Swaranshi. Ashwarya, want to try?
Yes.
No, I don't want you to think of pitch at all. Just go. Ah! Nobody cares. Almost there. Almost there. And remember, it's not singing. There is still a slight singing signal in this. I want it to be just like speech. Ah, ah, ah. Yes, this was easier. This was easier. Beautiful. One more time. One more time. Almost there.
but yeah when I'm going higher I'm thinking of the pitch
Yes,
for
yes,
sure yeah
yes. Okay. So now, any song, please. Summoning the free state.
मोहब्बत बुरी बीमारी लगी तुझे तो तेरी जिम्मेदारी मोहब्बत बुरी बीमारी लगी तुझे जिम्मेदारी. Again, I'm thinking about the high one.
Yeah, but do you
Mohabbat
notice?
turi. Sorry.
No, I was saying that your voice is double of what it was yesterday. Do you feel that? Do you feel that openness and that
Yeah.
flow without
Yes,
it?
I feel like it's very easy for me to sing, like much easier than before,
Yes, yes.
because I always struggle with so-called high notes.
Correct, correct. You want to do it once more? I want more than anything, I want to install that unsinging feeling. Just try that.
Okay. Ah,
Fabulous. Beautiful. Okay, now that was going towards pressed phonation a little bit. Let it be more
Yeah.
chaotic. Yes. And therefore, tone, and you won't even have to push volume because your tone is anyway so
Of course. Yeah.
beautiful. Now try
Definitely.
again. Da-da-da-da.
मोहब्बत बुरी बीमारी लगी तुझे तो तेरी जिम्मेदारी. मोहब्बत बुरी बीमारी लगी तुझे जिम्मेदारी. मोहब्बत बुरी.
Yeah, nice. Right there, but that's beautiful. That's phenomenal. Awesome. Ananya,
Hello.
hello.
Uh,
Guys, we'll take about 5 minutes more if it's okay. If
Yeah.
anybody's in a rush, then you can go.
yes, random noises.
Yeah.
Ah, ah.
I like that. I like that. But on your scoops, you still had a pitch ideation. Guys, could you hear the pitch ideation?
Yeah.
You want to
Yeah.
put that off for all of us. Ah,
Ah.
good job, darling.
Okay, let me think. You've got opinions, man, we're all entitled to them, but I never asked. Let me thank you for your time and try not to waste any more of mine. Get out of here fast.
Awesome! That was great. Now I want you to try a little bit of Over the Rainbow also. Don't think of Cassidy. Think of yourself. You're discovering how your body sings.
Let me just do the noise again.
Yeah. Beautiful. Okay. Somewhere. Come.
It feels too much.
Don't hear the recording in your mind, sweetie. You're just
I know.
expressing something. What does it mean? Does it mean I want to get somewhere? Okay. Are you dreamy or are you in this kind of prowl state where you're going towards your goals? What's the state?
Okay, I'm gonna start a bit normally and then I want to work my way up.
Okay.
Somewhere over. I keep going towards Eva for some reason. I
Okay.
keep hearing that. What do I do for that?
You sing back, but you want more than anything, more than having to copy a melody, I need you to get into that free state. Somewhere, don't think pitch. Don't think pitch at all. You're thinking expression. Kahin hai, somewhere, somewhere. Try.
Okay.
Good job.
The rainbow way high.
The up high was really natural and it was really good, right? The rest of it, we could see shapes on switching on and off. Now let them be off. Don't give any cues to your body. Your body knows how to sing already. It's a involuntary instrument. Come.
Okay, involuntary instrument. Let me just.
Do whatever, do whatever, do whatever. Somewhere over, somewhere over the rainbow way. Ah,
Beautiful. Somewhere and up high were quite natural. The rainbow, because of all the different changes in vowel, they were kind of pulling at different muscles. That's fine. You and I are going to work on it in our private session. But overall, very nice, very nice. Tanri,
After. Ah. So is that
very
ah?
nice, very nice. The after was also good. But now I want you not to think of this as singing or having to do anything correct. Come.
Ah.
You see how powerful your voice sounds with zero effort? Okay.
Mm.
Now just create a melody or sing any song using the same state.
I'll just. As I lay me down, heaven hear me now. I'm lost without a cause. After giving it my all, winter storms have come. Darker, I don't know.
That's fine. That was very nice. Do you notice that between yesterday and today, your voice is not having to load up so much?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's much lighter, but you're getting that same thick, deep tone that you have. I also want you to start experimenting with different colors in your voice, different expressions, right? What if what if you were younger in your mind when you're singing this song? See what tone your body chooses. Guys, for all of you who are also doing Bollywood work, so many people give a character definition, the character's age, the character's attitude, all of that. So that's an important thing. If we let our body operate without rules, those things will translate much faster. Tanvi, imagine you are 6 years old.
Okay. And I'll sing this song again.
Yeah.
After. I'm not familiar, but I'll try. As I lay me down, heaven hear me now. I'm lost without a cause. After giving it my all, winter storms have come.
That was so beautiful. I got a little bit goosebumps.
Oh, thank
And do you see, it answered your question also about the fact that your spoken voice is one way, your singing voice was another way, but you found another third complete other texture,
Oh, yes.
right? So all of you taking the cue are going to play with colors. I mean, we're going to focus a lot of them in the last week, but now too is a good time. Amazing. Who's the last person? Ria. Come, Ria.
Ah.
Okay, similar to Aishwarya, there's still a little bit of a pitch ideation in that, right? Remove that pitch ideation. It's just talking. अच्छा आ गए तुम सब. Ah.
Ah.
That's better. Doesn't that feel easier? Beautiful, darling. Now sing using that state.
I keep on falling in out of love with you. Sometimes I love you. Sometimes you make me. I forgot the lyrics. Sometimes
I feel blue. Okay, honey. Can you hear that your voice is so much bigger than day before?
yeah.
That's crazy. Okay, now same thing, not thinking pitches. I keep on falling. Come.
I keep on falling in out of love with you. Sometimes I love you.
Yes, instead of muscle on the love, just think insisting. Sometimes I love, not love. Don't use any muscle. Come.
Sometimes I love you. Sometimes you make me blue. Sometimes I feel good.
Yeah.
Sometimes I feel you.
Done. Done. Okay. Everybody clear? Go crazy. I'm going to see you all on Tuesday, and I'll just put up this on YouTube as well so that you can look, everybody who came late can look at the theory part as well. Okay.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Bye,
See you
everyone.
all.